Hello students, we are back in lesson 3. Last classes we are discussing about the question answer of lesson 1 and we have completed from lesson question number 1 to question number 6. So today we will start from question number 7. So what is the question number 7? Question number 7. What is the functions of a system software? What is the function of system software? So we can think what system software, the functions of system software is input, output and processing the data. Main three functions of system software. More functions will be available here. 8 number question. How many components? How many components does a CPU have? So a CPU has 3 main components. First, arithmetic logic units. We know this one A and U. Second thing, control unit. So we know this one in C. And 3, memory unit. We know as this one in short form MU. So this is the 3 main components of a CPU. First, arithmetic logic unit. Second, control unit. And third, memory unit. So this is the answer of how many components does a CPU have. So there are 3 main components of a CPU. That is, its name is arithmetic logic unit, control unit and memory unit. So our next question has full forms of full form. You know already this one. First number CPU, second number ALU, 3 number CQ, 4 number MU and 5 number IP4. First number Central Processing Unit. Second number Arithmetic Logic Unit. Three number Control Unit. And four number Memory Unit. And five number Input Processing Out. So this is the full form of all the given. First number CPU. As you already know, from class 1, what CPU Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of the computer. ALU Arithmetic Logic Unit. This is the components of CPU. CU Control Unit. This is also the components of CPU. MU Memory Unit. It is also the components of CPU. And lastly, IPO. So our computer systems work in IPO model. So as we know this one, input, processing and output. So this is the full form of given the following terms. Next thing, match the following. Next thing, match the following. Match the following. So we have given 6 commands. So first number, all physical parts of a computer. Second, a set of program. A set of program and instruction. We have already know about this one. And operating system software. Code number, giving data, and instruction to computer. And 5 number, monitor, printer, speakers, etc. And 6 number, paint, chrome, Microsoft Word. So just opposite side given A number, input, B number, application software, application software, C number, output devices, D number, hardware, E number, software, F number, Windows 7. So this is the given commands for the measure flowing. First number, all physical parts of a computer. We know about this one, that means this is the hardware. This is the hardware. So we can match them in D number because in D number given hardware. Second thing, a set of program instructions. Mean we know about already about the software. Software is the set of program and instruction. So here is given 5 number commands. A set of program instruction is called the software. C number, an operating system software. Operating system is given F number, Windows 7. 4 number, giving data and instruction to computer. So this is the input. This is the input. Means we can give any input and instruction in data in our computer system by the help of hardware devices. So this one is called the input. Monitor, printer, speaker. These all are the output device. These all are the output device. We already know this one. Paint, Chrome, Microsoft Word. This one is the application software. This one is the application software. So this is your match the following question. And first, again I am repeating this one. All physical parts of a computer. All physical parts, that means our CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, these all are hardware. So we call them hardware. So given here is hardware. So we can match this one from to hardware. Second, a set of program. That means we know already about the software. That is, a software is a set of program. A software is a set of program. So we know already, so we can match to software. Second, next, an operating system software. We know already this one. An operating system is a software that helps to users to operate the computer. So here is given Windows 7. So we can match to Windows 7. But many more operating system will be available now, like as Linux, Unix, Mac operating system. So these all are the operating systems. So Windows is most popular operating system. We have already know this one. Next, giving data and instruction to computer. So we know this one about, this is the input. This is the input. So this is the input. We can match from the input. And next, monitor, printer, speaker. These all are the output devices. So we can match from output devices. Paint, Chrome, Microsoft Word. These were all are the application software. Software has two types. First, operating system, and second, application software. सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. तो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर में हमारा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आ जाता है और एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर में हमारा क्या आता है, पेन, क्रोम, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड. सो दिस ऑल आर रिलेटेड टू मैच द फ्लोइंग. सो दिस वन इज completed. This one is completed. Our next topic, given the G number, label the part of a computer. Also write I for input, P for processing, O for output. One is done for you. एक आपके बुक में भी दिया हुआ है, उसमें लिखना है, क्या लिखना है, for output equal to O, for input equal to I, and for processing equal to P. So next thing, once again, next thing is given all. First number given speaker. First number given speaker. So we can write this one O. Second number we can write CPU. So this one is the processing device. 3 number given monitor. So we know already monitor is output device. Monitor is output device. 4 number scanner. 4 number scanner. So this one is input device. So we can write I. 5 number printer. already know about this one. This is the output device. 6 number, microphone. Microphone. So this one is input device. 7 number, keyboard. 7 number, keyboard. So we can write this one. This is the output device, input device. 8 number, mouse. 8 number, mouse. This one is also input device. So all we have to retain. So given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So one left. What is left in? So this one, first number speaker, second number monitor, third number CPU, mouse, keyboard, scanner. This is microphone. So these all are the input, processing and output devices. So it is given in your page number 13. So you have checked this one, you can check this one and make by self also, because already we learned about the input device, processing device and output devices. Again I am repeating this one. Input device means we can give the data and any instruction to our computer by the help of hardware devices. So these hardware devices is called the input devices. Output, we can get output of the processed data by the help of hardware devices. So these hardware devices is called the output devices. And when we can give the commands and any instruction to our computer for processing, so those hardware devices will process it. So these hardware devices is called the CPU, processing devices. So CPU is only one processing devices. You know already about this one. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit, and we know about this one. That is the brain of the computer. That is the brain of the computer. So these all are the input, output, input, and processing. So our next thing. Our next question will be what? Name an application software for each of the following. So this is very interesting. Name and application software. Application software for each of the following. Mean here given commands. So we can say to particular software to how will be completed by which type of software. First number, I am writing now. First, drawing, coloring and edit pictures. So we can give an application software name. Second, to watch movies and songs. So next, 3, to internet browsing. So we can give you the particular software name. Phone number, to make presentation. So we can give you the application software name. 5 number, to type letters and all the application software in given your book, and we have to say about this one, that is this one is uses application software Paint. Second, to watch movies and songs. So this one is we can VLC player. These all are the application software we can get from the Play Stores of your computer systems, Play Stores of your mobiles also. All the will be available. Again, internet browsing. So this one is given Google Chrome. And next, to make a presentation, this one is Microsoft PowerPoint. This one is given Microsoft PowerPoint. And next, to type the letter, this is the Microsoft Word. We can directly, here is in MS Paint, we can use Microsoft Paint also. To watch movies and songs, here is given in a book PSC player, but we can use also Windows Media Player, KV Player. So this type of application software we can use for watching movies and songs. To access internet browsing, so we can use in Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera. So these all are the web browsers. To make a presentation, so we can use mostly Microsoft PowerPoint. This is the part of Microsoft Office. So next, to type the letter and document, so we can use Microsoft Word, we can use Notepad, we can use WordPad for type the letter, type the text. So these all are the application software for particular commands. For particular commands, we can do this type of works by the help of this application software. So this is your last topic. So our lesson 1 completed. Again, I am repeating. Our first lesson have to complete it by the theoretical, by the exercise question. So these all. So first question was tick the correct answer. We have to complete this one. Second, write yes or no for each of the following. We can already complete it. Fill in the blanks. We all have to complete it. Answer the following questions. This one also completed. Full forms. This one is also completed. Match the following. This one is also completed. And label the parts of a computer for input equal to I, output equal to O, and processing equal to P. And next, name an application software for each of the following. So we can do this one. We can know this one. So this is the last topic of your lesson 1. So our next topic is given for only understanding, little hand at works. So this one is the practical skills, but we want to know, and we could know about this one. First of all, given turn on the computer and open the calculator program by clicking on. So we can how to open a calculator in our computer system. So we can open this one by the help of using steps. Click on start button, click on all program, and next click on calculator. So our calculator will be opened. So it is given, click start button, click all program, click accessories, click on calculator. Second, and now solve this one. So our next question, how to open a calculator. Our next question for this one is only know about the calculator, how to open the calculator. So these types of commands how to do manage by self, how to know myself. So this one is the practical session. So question number first, how to open a calculator. So we can open it. What? Click on start button. Click on start button. Click on all program. Next, click on accessories, and next click on calculator. So our calculators will be open in our computer screen, and we give him some commands like as 25. So this one added in computer 6 to 7 plus 7 to 3 plus 5 to 5. This one can add 3 number 4301 plus 109 plus 246. This one also can do 4 number 96896237. This one also can, and 5 number 9261 divisible from 7. So these all commands will be given. So for do in your calculator, mean first open the calculator and can do this one. So you can shortly do this one, mean 25, add them and write the answer. 627, 723 plus 525, these all are added and will be right here. 4301, 109, 246, all added and right here. Here subtract it, here divisible it. So this one is for your practical session. So our next, make a list of at least 10 software installed on any one computer in the lab. मतलब आपको बताना है कि आपके कंप्यूटर लैब में कोई 10 ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है जो कि आपके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में क्या है, इंस्टॉल्ड है. Mean write the 10 application software name which installed in your computer system. So B number question, make a list of at least 10 software installed on any one computer in the lab. So we can write easily this one. What? So we can give application software name first. Google Chrome will be present here now. Internet Explorer also. Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, VNC Media Player, Mozilla Firefox will be, and Windows operating system also, Notepad, and got it. So okay, so these all are installed at least 10 software in our computer systems. So next day we have discussing about the operating system. Thank you.